This is the vegetable steam momo, and this is chicken steam.
Okay.
And that is our chili garlic fries.
Yes.
So this is one of our best selling, and chicken momos, obviously the momos are, I don't have to say, like everyone loves momos, so yeah, please. So जब टोरंटो में आया था तो मुझे first restaurant I went was the restaurant called Tibet Kitchen. Now it is closed.
Yeah.
Like when I entered the restaurant, I was like, wow, man, this is this kind of restaurant I want to have.
Oh.
वहाँ से मेरा journey हुआ कि one day I will, not today because I was not ready then. तो मतलब ऐसे नहीं कि खोल दिया और मोमो बना दिया और बेचना शुरू कर दिया. It doesn't work like that, right?
तो अब जब आपने रेस्टोरेंट खोलने का सोचा, फर्स्ट थॉट था मोमो का ही खोलना है या कुछ और भी सोचा था? हमें ना यही जानना चाहती थी, आप लोग रोज घर में मोमो खाते हो? क्योंकि हम लोगों को तो ऐसे ही लगता है, लोग ऑफेंड हो जाते हैं क्योंकि रील्स वगैरह पे अगर मोमोज बोलो ना इतने कमेंट
मैंने बहुत देखा है.
तब पता है कि हमारे एक फ्रेंड है नेपाल से, उन्होंने बोला तुम ऐसे बोलते हो राजमा चावल, तुम राजमा चावल बोलते हो ना, तो दिस इज मोमो, दिस इज नॉट मोमोज. गाइस वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल. आज की वीडियो होने वाली है बहुत ही डिफरेंट. हम आए हैं अपने फेवरेट मोमो रेस्टोरेंट में एंड वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक टू दिस गाय जो हमारे को बहुत अच्छे अच्छे मोमो हमेशा खिलाते हैं. सो वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट हिज पर्सनल स्टोरी एंड हिज रेस्टोरेंट बिजनेस, कि कैसे कनाडा में आए, अपना बिजनेस सेटअप किया एंड जनरली योर सक्सेस स्टोरी इफ आई कैन से दैट. So you want to introduce? Okay, yeah. Sorry, आप बोलो.
So I would like to introduce Tenzin, the owner of Shambhala Kitchen, and we've known him for the last 3 years now.
Yes.
And he's been like a family friend to us. And food के बारे में जब बात करेंगे ना, हम खाते भी जाएंगे और बात भी करेंगे. So over to you, Tenzin. Like please explain आप यहाँ पर कब आए, कैसे आए, and then how this.
आप originally कहाँ से हो?
Absolutely. Sure. Thank you so much, guys, for having me. Since this is my first podcast live with my two favorite people, so I'm really excited at the same time, a little nervous, but yeah. Talking about my, my background, I'm a Tibetan, but born and brought up in India. I was born in a state called Arunachal Pradesh, which is in the northeastern part of India, and very fortunate to be born in India, honestly. And that's the reason why I could able to think about how we can introduce momos in Toronto. So I came in the year 2014. So when I first came to Canada, like obviously always wanted to have my own business. That was always back in my mind. तो मैं हमेशा चाहता था कि रेस्टोरेंट एक हो अपना, जो जिसमें मतलब अपना जो मोमोज है, चाउमीन है, मंचूरियन है, that I can share with other people, right, around the world. So जब टोरंटो में आया था तो मुझे first restaurant I went was I think it was back in year 2014. It was the restaurant called Tibet Kitchen. Now it is closed. Yeah. But that was my first restaurant. For me, that yeah. So that was. Like when I entered the restaurant, I was like, wow, man, this is this kind of restaurant I want to have in Toronto. That was like sort of my dream? the first dream which was light up. तो मैं जब घुसा तो मुझे लगा कि यार I want to have restaurant such like this. तो वहाँ से मेरा जर्नी हुआ कि one day I will, not today because I was not ready then, because उसके लिए बहुत फंड चाहिए, कैपिटल चाहिए, and you have to have those menus के लिए क्या आइडिया होना चाहिए, है ना. तो मतलब ऐसे नहीं कि खोल दिया और मोमो बना दिया और बेचना शुरू कर दिया. It doesn't work like that, right? You need to have a capital, stock up, and then ideas. Then you have to have good people to work with you, right? So मतलब it took me around 8 years. Yeah, so it's been my 10th years now in Canada, but it took me 8 years literally to stock up those things.
पहले से ही like business family से हो या फिर it was kind of different? How did it all start? Like पहले कैसा रहा है आपका बचपन and उसके बाद like moving on to coming to Canada? वो कैसा रहा?
तो इंडिया में जब था तो my dad is Indian Army retired, so he always had that business thing in him, right? तो मैं जब बचपन में था तो मैं देखते आया हूँ मेरा पिताजी हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ like whenever he used to come on vacation, right? तो कुछ ना कुछ लेके आता था, मतलब बाहर से, दिल्ली से. हम लोग को तो गांव है ना वहाँ पे, तो छोटा सा गांव है. तो whenever he used to come, he always used to bring something with him, जैसे कि clothing हुआ, something. He always had those ideas that he can sell it. तो मतलब छुट्टी से आते थे तो खर्चा पानी सब लेके आते थे.
अच्छा.
तो then he used to sell it to the locals, right?
wow.
तो वहाँ से idea हुआ. Then my dad started a noodles manufacturing unit.
Okay.
In Arunachal Pradesh.
Oh.
So he was just retired, and then next year he just started that business, and that was, it was a very hard-working thing, like वो जो noodles manufacturing है ना, तो पहले तो आप उस background से नहीं हो, you don't know how to make it.
Yeah.
First you have to learn, right? My dad was, during those days, my dad was, I think he was like in his 50s. तो मतलब he was starting all those again. तो army में थे, retired हुआ, तब then he started again those things. तो हम तो वहाँ उस टाइम आई थिंक आई वाज इन 9th स्टैंडर्ड तो मैं तो स्कूलिंग में था तो आई कुड नॉट स्पेंड मच टाइम ड्यूरिंग दोस डेज तो व्हेन आई यूज्ड टू कम ऑन माय वेकेशन द स्कूल का वेकेशन होता था समर वेकेशन तब आते थे तो आई यूज्ड टू हेल्प माय डैड एंड वी यूज्ड टू लर्न एट द सेम टाइम कैसे बनाना है देन अल्टीमेटली जब मेरा कॉलेज ख़त्म हुआ then I studied like hotel and tourism management like in India.
Okay.
So I have a hospitality background. That's why like the food is very close to me.
Yeah.
And that explains क्योंकि ना इनके रेस्टोरेंट की मैं ऑनेस्टली बताती हूँ मुझे अच्छी बात क्या लगती है ही रियली टेक्स केयर ऑफ द कस्टमर्स जैसे हम यहाँ जब भी आते हैं ना एंड हम हर टेबल देखते हैं हर किसी को एक ऐसी सर्विस मिल रही होती है जो उनका मन करे वापस आने का
like a personalized
हाँ सो वो आपके बारे में ना बहुत अच्छी चीज लगती है और मे बी इट कम्स फ्रॉम द हॉस्पिटैलिटी बिजनेस और हाउ यू हैव ग्रोन अप
I think this is something I always believe in that thing where you say like the food is important for sure. Yes, food is the integral part of every restaurant. At the same time, I think service also makes a huge difference.
Oh, very.
Right?
Exactly.
Overall experience में अगर आप खाना बहुत बढ़िया दिया और सर्विस मतलब it's like मिसिंग है कुछ आप अटेंटिव नहीं हो कस्टमर को जाके नहीं पूछ रहे हो खाना कैसा है आई थिंक ओवरऑल द एक्सपीरियंस गोज डाउन मैं भी जब जाता हूँ हमेशा रेस्टोरेंट पे I always go there and somebody come to me and ask me like oh how's the food कैसा है how's everything automatically it feels good आपको लगता है खाना भी अच्छा है might not be you're not focusing that much on food but somebody come and show that care that oh
you
how's everything
remember
guys
the
right
experience कि वहाँ जाके feel कैसा हुआ था
correct
and you go back for
so
that
then automatically I think it clicks that तो आप उसके बारे में बात करना शुरू कर देता आप दोस्तों के साथ like oh I went to Shambhala kitchen the manager or the server there was amazing those people were keep asking like how's everything that made our day or the evening really good
तो अब जब आपने रेस्टोरेंट खोलने का सोचा फर्स्ट थॉट था मोमो का ही खोलना है या कुछ और भी सोचा था
No, I think the momo has been very close to our hearts for sure. The momo lately it has been very trending in India and now in Toronto for sure, right?
Yeah.
So जब मैं when I was in India like the momo was for us like it's a very occasional food for Tibetan people.
हमें ना यही जानना चाहती थी आप लोग रोज घर में मोमो खाते हो क्योंकि हम लोगों को तो ऐसे ही लगता है
No, you won't believe. No, you won't believe. Like momos बोलते थे तो आप लोग momos बोलते हैं हम लोग momo बोलते हैं तो to me like honestly it doesn't make much difference whichever makes you comfortable
नहीं लोग ऑफेंड हो जाते हैं क्योंकि रील्स वगैरह पे अगर मोमोज बोलो ना इतने कमेंट
मैंने बहुत देखा है मैंने बहुत देखा
नहीं होता मोमो इनफैक्ट मोहो कुछ समथिंग लाइक दैट लाइक दे विल ऑलवेज करेक्ट इट्स नॉट मोमो
Especially people from Nepal and Tibet, they will say like momos कुछ नहीं होता. It's momo या mahama.
तो like आप लोग Indian especially people from India they call momos I don't know somehow मेरा personal reaction रहता है हमेशा I don't know it sounds good to me honestly there's nothing wrong according to me but बहुत लोग बोलेंगे कि हाँ इसमें ऐसा नहीं होता ये नहीं होता
नहीं होता पता है कि हमारे एक फ्रेंड है नेपाल से उन्होंने बोला तुम ऐसे बोलते हो राजमा चावल तुम राजमा चावल बोलते हो ना तो दिस इज मोमो दिस इज नॉट मोमोज सो उस दिन का से हम दोनों तो मोमो ही बोलते हैं
हमेशा मैं सुना हूँ like it's not only you guys I think a lot of the food bloggers I have seen जब मैं उसका रील देखता हूँ तो हमेशा बोलते हैं मोमोज एक मतलब अभी used to हो गया है कान पे like I've been hearing those things all the time like sometimes I also say momos मेरे मुंह से भी निकल जाता है कि momos so I think there's nothing wrong I think as long as we're talking about the same thing it's okay तो मतलब हमेशा मेरा मैं जब इंडिया में था I was in Kolkata I spent a couple of years in Kolkata I think Kolkata momo trend was already there the only thing was it was not that hype was like going on right तो हमेशा आपको मिलेंगे स्टॉल पे या सुपरमार्केट के बाहर हमेशा मिलेंगे the momo stall is there and you also get a small cup of soup with the momos so that trend was already there in Kolkata so जब मैं I moved to Gurgaon for my job I worked with Oberoi Gurgaon so जब मैं गुड़गांव में गया था I didn't see much momo trend those days during the
10 के अराउंड शुरू होना शुरू हुआ था like
I remember हम लोग हाँ ट्यूशन वगैरह जाते थे और मोमो का वो लगता था
तो वहाँ पे like छोटा सा एक ठेला टाइप होता था वहाँ पे गैस स्टोव होता था यहाँ पे जैसे हम कैंटीन वगैरह में लेते हैं and then वो स्टीमर होता है typical and हर नुक्कड़ पे थोड़ा
बट वो ऐसे फेमस हुआ लाइक मोमो आया मोमो एंड काठी रोल एंड आई थिंक बोथ ऑफ देम केम फ्रॉम कोलकाता मतलब इंडिया की अगर मैं बात करूं ना
काठी रोल इज रियली फेमस इन कोलकाता यस
बट दिल्ली में जब आया आई थिंक उसके बाद तो वो ऐसा फेमस हुआ है कि अब तो टोरंटो में लाइक यू विल सी सो मेनी मोमो
जब मैंने पहली बार मोमो का हाइप देखा यू नो दैट हाइप वाज आई सॉ वाज इन रियलिटी शो जो झलक दिखला जा वाला ना तो
अच्छा
जब मैं वो देख रहा था तो आई थिंक इट वाज अ जज आई थिंक द एक्ट्रेस नेम सोनाली बेंद्रे राइट सोनाली बेंद्रे जब वो बात कर रहे थे मोमो आई वाज लाइक because she's one of my you know she's one of my favorite actors right तो जब वो बात किया मोमो I was like seriously this guy knows about momo तब मुझे realize हुआ कि कितना trending चल रहा है you know how people are talking about momo right because that was a national television right people talking about it it's like that means you know there's something तो उसके बारे में पता चला फिर you know I saw every reel जब भी मैं swipe करता हूँ मोमोज स्टॉल पे you know दिल्ली के स्टॉल पे सब कुछ दिखा रहे थे and slowly gradually मैं रेस्टोरेंट देखा टोरंटो पे like everywhere it's just momos right even in Indian restaurant which is really good तो हमें खुशी होता है कि you know as a Tibetan I feel really happy that you know, especially people from India has, you know, accepted momo as the part of their, you know,
now every
daily
restaurant
life.
needs to have like a mandate कि एक डिश मोमो की होनी ही चाहिए मेन्यू पे
right तो शादी में भी मोमो था
सही में
correct that's really nice I really feel great like as in general हम you know as a Tibetan who was born in India you know we already know like how you know people of India has accepted Tibetan as हम पैदा हुए थे इंडिया में you know as a refugee but I never felt in my life a single day that I'm a refugee or I live as a refugee never I don't know somehow you know people of India or the local people never let us feel that I'm outsider you know हमेशा लगा है कि you know I was born in India and I'm Indian you know
so जैसे कनाडा में हूँ तो यहाँ पे आपको फील आती है आउटसाइडर इमिग्रेंट
मुझे यहाँ पे आके जब मैं पहली बार आया था यहाँ पे तो you know the first shop was the Shoppers मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ Shoppers तो Shoppers Drug में मैं घुसा था तो all empty तब मुझे इंडिया बहुत मिस हुआ पता है क्यों क्योंकि इंडिया में like every shop is a crowd right तो मतलब भरती रहता भरा हुआ रहता ना यहाँ पे सब खाली था कहाँ है लोग I was the only one walking around उस शॉप पे तो you know obviously then time passes by right तो उसके बाद हमेशा लगा यार Canada is also like you feel your home now right this is
you get used to this shanti and this emptiness and everything
India तो हमेशा याद आता है it's obviously because I know my real country is Tibet but born and brought up in India so I feel like you know where you were born that is something very close to your heart मैंने कभी Tibet देखा नहीं my parents have lived there but we have never lived and we have never been to Tibet unfortunately so it is always the India that always close to our heart तो मैं हमेशा मतलब अपने घर के बारे में सोचता हूँ तो it always takes me to Arunachal Pradesh right that's where I born and obviously part of Delhi's right because I think Delhi is again जब मैं school पे जाता था तो you know that was a stop for us you know we had to stay for like a couple of nights then Delhi was again you know very connected then Kolkata obviously because मैंने 2 साल वहाँ पे काम किया तो कोलकाता हैज़ ऑलवेज बिन वेरी स्पेशल इन माई करियर तो जब मैंने जॉब स्टार्ट किया था दैट वाज माय फर्स्ट जॉब द ओबरॉय ग्रैंड तो मेरा कोलकाता के साथ भी वेरी क्लोज कनेक्शंस व्हेनेवर आई सी पीपल फ्रॉम कोलकाता आई फील रियली हैप्पी राइट मैं हमेशा यू नो आई डोंट स्पीक बंगाली दैट मच बट थोड़ा बोल लेता हूँ यू नो केमन आछे यू नो दोस थिंग्स राइट दोस थिंग्स
भी आती है
so Bengali people also feel so happy you know that oh you can speak Bengali I said just few words I can understand so you know that's something I think it brings closer to people of you know different states right so that's the beauty of India that you have different languages different food so Kolkata if you talk about Kolkata you know I love sweets you know rasgulla and mishti doi oh my god the fish amazing and Delhi obviously I you know Gurgaon I love the food about Gurgaon was the paratha I don't know somehow
paratha और चाय वो जो रोड साइड
and the Amul butter right the block of Amul butter You get it? Oh my goodness. I don't know. Those days, you know, जब हम लोग सोचते थे तो health wealth के बारे में कुछ नहीं. It's just about the food, right?
I know.
It's about the wow. You know, जब भूख लगते थे तो like paratha is something. You know, I always late night meals बोले. You know, paratha has been my favorite when I was in Gurgaon. Really good.
सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज क्या रहा है रेस्टोरेंट खोलने का?
I think restaurant जब मैंने जब सोचा था तो I think you know fortunately I got people on time. मेरे पास जो chef है you know which brings delicious food on the table. मेरा दोस्त रहा है हमेशा से you know he has been my childhood friend so he was always there. Just हम उसको कर्मा कह सकते हैं you know that I might have done something good in my past life you know that brings good people in your present life, right? तो challenges बोले तो you know I had a hard time finding a good place like this restaurant. I had to wait for a long time, right? तो मुझे जगह मिलने में बहुत मुश्किल हुआ क्योंकि I was just looking for places nearby, but again those were very small and it was not fitting what I was looking for. जो जिसमें मतलब space अच्छा था तो उसमें मतलब kitchen अच्छा नहीं है और या फिर you know storage अच्छा नहीं है, जहाँ पे मतलब sitting नहीं है वहाँ पे वो है, फिर you know you need a sitting, right? So जिसमें indoor seating बहुत कम था, जिसमें patio है, so obviously in Canada is like more winters also, right? Canada में winter ज़्यादा होता है तो फिर you know you have to think about indoors, right? Business cannot run on just patios, right? तो मैंने जब मुझे ये मिला तो I was quite relieved. Then again when you started, like you have a lot of competition, right? तो मुझे बहुत competition था. I knew that there was a lot of competition, but मुझे पता नहीं था कि you know it's gonna take like it's gonna be like hard, very hard. तो मैंने सोचा चलो अब खोल तो लिया, you know you have to do it somehow. तो मैंने you know I worked really hard, my team worked really hard every day and night. जब से मतलब रेस्टोरेंट खोला तब से you know we've been chatting with our customers like knowing like what is going wrong or what they like. तो हमेशा feedback लिया, you know they asked, we requested them to leave us a Google review, which really helped us. So
is it still 4.9?
Yes, we're still 4.9 and we are almost 1.6K, 1,600.
You're
so
still 4.9.
correct,
Wow, that's
4.9.
amazing.
And a lot of people really appreciate जब भी यहाँ पे आते हैं तो हम always that is my sort of a habit that I always ask people like, is this your first time? If they say yes, first time. So I always ask like, how did you guys know about our place, right? How did you guys end up coming to our restaurant, right? Something. So they always give us like those things. Oh, आपका Google review is amazing. We were just looking for Tibetan restaurants. And your restaurant popped up the first because you have amazing reviews. So thanks to all our you know past guests who have visited us, who have been visiting us still. Like you guys have you know honestly.
हम तो regular customer.
अगर I think you know it's मैं हमेशा believe करता हूँ karma पे. You know I think I always think that I might have something done good in my past life. So you know I have met people like you guys, and also people who introduced me to you guys, right? Those people are also crucial.
वो भी बहुत interesting story है actually. आप बताओगे कि how you came to know about us?
Absolutely. तो क्या हुआ जब यहाँ पे I think they were sitting here, like they were two families, like I think six of them. तो वाले उस टाइम मतलब slow night था, तो मैं हमेशा you know that's my habit. I always go and ask like how's everything, you know, especially people you know new faces, right? To me, I always go there and ask them like how's everything, कैसा रहा सब कुछ, you know. Then like over the conversations, I just asked them how do you guys come to know, right? And they said like oh we just live nearby, and I said like hey tell your friend right about our restaurant. They said yeah of course definitely, but I think you guys should you know. Collaborate with the guy called What Up Canada. I said, really? Who is What Up Canada? Then I just looked at your Instagram post and I saw like you have good followings and a lot of likes and you know shares. So I said, chalo, you know, let me just try because I have never collaborated with anybody before that, right? So I said, chalo, you know, let me just send a message at least. कि क्या होता है कि मतलब जिसके पास बहुत फॉलोवर्स होते हैं वो लोग ज़्यादातर you know they don't reply messages. तो मैंने चलो यार एक बार ट्राई कर ले, ट्राई करने में क्या है, right? So तो मैंने आपको मैसेज भेजा. I think after like maybe half an hour you guys responded to me saying that yes we can do this that, and then I was like wow this guy responded really fast. That means you know that's something positivity. तो मुझे positivity आने लगा, you know that's something, right? That's something you know karma again, you know that connections, right, that we were just looking for. So you know those days like we were really slow. तो हम लोग का restaurant बहुत slow था. Then I also asked you guys for you know little help, right? तो आप लोग ने भी you guys understood my problem. You guys came like, you know, my old friends. आप लोगों ने मतलब अपना ही समझ के मुझे आया मेरा यहाँ पे restaurant पे, you know, you guys started. After that, it's a history, right? It's a history. Honestly, your first reel really hit it, and you know, people started like coming right after that reel post. That evening, same evening, people started coming. Because again, you know, that thing is, I always ask people, how did you come? They said, I saw a reel. Your reel, what of Canada? I said, wow. I was really surprised. क्योंकि मेरा ये पहला collaboration था आप लोगों के साथ और मैं in my life, right? तो मुझे वो पता नहीं था कि result ऐसे आते हैं. You know, results started showing up next day. You know, I was like, wow. Then slowly, gradually, people started. Then I keep asking. Even my team member were asking, like, how did you guys come to know about our restaurant? It was real. Mostly, like 99% of them, they said, we saw you reel. What a Canada.
But it's not just us. Overall अगर देखा जाए, अगर food वो बात नहीं करता ना, तो people don't come back. ठीक है, वो once आएंगे, उसके बाद वो दोबारा नहीं आएंगे.
Correct.
खाना अच्छा नहीं है. So at the end of the day, your service, your food, everything that matters, right?
Correct.
So like I know the genuine quality and hard work that goes behind kitchen back room में देखा कि full packed रहता है, and then people are just coming waiting as well for quite some time.
हम खुद आके इतना वेट करते हैं every time we come here, सब अब भरा पड़ा होता है, अब वो पहले वाले दिन नहीं है जब खाली होता है. हम खुद आके हमेशा वेट कर रहे होते हैं, and it makes us so happy that you know you are so busy.
मैंने इतना अच्छा खाना रखा हुआ है, कोई खा ही नहीं रहा है.
Please,
कौन सा
guys.
है इसमें?
This is the vegetable steam momo, and this is chicken steam.
Okay.
And that is our chili garlic fries. So this is one of our best selling, and chicken momos, obviously the momos are, I don't have to say, like, you know, everyone loves momos, so yeah, please
So
help yourself.
अपने favorite बताओ यहाँ के आपके कौन से हैं?
मेरे जो favorite typical है वो है chicken momos and chili chicken sauce.
मेरा
Like
भी
be it on steam or be it fried. Fried ज़्यादा अच्छा होता है because उसके साथ वो जो texture और उसके साथ coating आ जाती है ना, that looks beautiful.
Talking about, you know, momo with chili chicken sauce, आप लोग यकीन नहीं करोगे, it's very coincident, you know. I think that was the first day that we served momo with the sauce, like chili chicken sauce, and you guys were our first customers. मैंने उससे पहले भेजा ही नहीं था, क्योंकि that was the first day, a sort of launch day, you know, for me. क्योंकि मैं जब सोच रहा था कि momo is like, there are so many varieties in the market, right? कुरकुरे momos हुआ, you know, क्या बोलते हैं आपका butter chicken momos हुआ, like those things. There's so many momos. तो मैं सोच रहा था कि, you know, there's something. I want to launch something different, because वो सब तो मिलते ही है हर जगह, है ना? Because if people come to Shambhala Kitchen, they should try something new, and they should, you know, they will love it. जैसे आपने बोला कि, you know, chili chicken is the best. उससे पहले हम लोग ने कभी भेजा ही नहीं, you know, we never sold it.
Chili chicken कहीं पे भी देखो, like you'll never get chili chicken momo.
Right. तो हमेशा
लोग वेजिटेरियन हूँ, मुझे तो चिली चिकन पता नहीं, बट स्टिल आई गेट द वेजी मोमोज, उसमें चिली चिकन सॉस.
करेक्ट. लोगों को ना हमेशा सॉस पा के लगता है कि यार, ओह इज दिस वेजिटेरियन, उसमें चिकन नहीं है, जस्ट अ सॉस, इट्स अ वेजिटेरियन सॉस.
बाकी तुम कोई भी मोमो.
राइट. क्योंकि चिली चिकन हमेशा पॉपुलर रहा है इंडियन, आई थिंक इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट्स में, इंडिया आल्सो, राइट? चिली चिकन एंड मंचूरियंस एंड chow mein, right? Those have been very famous all throughout the years. तो मैं सोचा अगर चिली मोमो रख देंगे तो फिर, you know, it will be like sounding very like sort of a very plain. मैं सोचा चिली चिकन रख दूंगा तो, you know, people can relate that dish, right?
Because people still have chili momos.
Correct.
क्योंकि वो ग्रेवी में बस टॉस कर देते हैं.
Correct.
But if you make it little more, जैसे आपने किया, chili chicken momo.
Right.
Then ये hit करता है कि यार चिली चिकन मोमोस में क्या होगा.
Correct.
So you need to create that interest and curiosity amongst the customer.
I'm glad.
करे वो चीज़.
I'm glad it becomes one of your favorites.
Really. से कंट्रोल नहीं हो रहा, मोमो की डिस्कशन शुरू कर दी है. He will keep on discussing, but we need to end the video. I know. मोमो भी मिलेंगे, बहुत सारे मोमोज खाएंगे हम, चिली चिकन भी खाएंगे.
Please help yourself.
But to end the video,
we have few rapid fire
yes.
questions.
Sure.
So are you ready?
Yes.
पहले तो इसी से start कर लेते हैं. If you had to pick one dish from your own menu, what would that be?
I think all the foods are you know, my personal favorites and my chef's favorite. जब हम लोग menu बना रहे थे तो, you know, we were just thinking like, oh, we will keep this, everything is like amazing, and there's so many.
Pick one.
I have to pick
It's
one.
like asking a parent favorite बच्चा कौन सा है.
I think I will pick you know, my favorite is chili chicken.
Oh, yours too?
Chili chicken, that also dry, dry, amazing.
Oh, wow.
That's my favorite.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. India or Canada?
You know, both are again. You know, I would say India. definitely,
really?
yes.
Wow.
India is something very close, has been close to my heart, and my family, my parents are there, my sister. So definitely, India has been and will be always close to my
Yeah.
heart. Canada तो अभी नया है.
Yeah.
Just kidding. But yeah, India for sure.
No, but true. India is always going to be in your heart, even
Absolutely.
if you know we are here in Canada for 20 years or whatever. India
हम
is
तो हमेशा
India.
इंडिया like Bollywood
Yeah.
मूवी से देखते हैं, songs भी Bollywood है. मैं हूँ Tibetan, but I very rarely listen to Tibetan music.
Okay.
But I think अभी ऐसा हो गया है, life that you look like a Tibetan, but inside you're always Indian.
So favorite
sort
Indian actor?
Favorite Ranbir Kapoor.
Ranbir
Favorite
Kapoor.
dialogue?
Dialogue.
तुम्हारे पास
कौन सा ये वाला क्या था वो आपका ये
तुम्हारे पास घर है कब
आपके पास क्या है मेरे पास गूगल रिव्यूज है
तो जोक ये है गाइस कि हमने जब अभी एक पिछली और रील की थी हमने ना पूरे एक एक्टिंग रोल दिया
Right.
एंड ही लाइक मुझसे क्यों करा रहे हो एंड कट टू आज पूरी वीडियो बना लिया आपने सी
राइट थैंक यू सो मच फॉर
प्रोग्रेस
दैट मुझे ऑफर आने शुरू हो गया पता है
ओके फेवरेट हैंगआउट प्लेस इन टोरंटो
Toronto hangout place. I think I love basically lakeside. I am a sort of quiet person. मुझे मतलब थोड़ा quiet surrounding अच्छा लगता है. So I love taking walk on the lake shore.
Yeah.
तो that has been why जब मैं आया था तो मैं वहीं पे I started living that side. So हमेशा that is also again close. I always like during my free time with my friends, एक coffee लिया, take a walk.
Yeah.
With my family also take a walk. That has been something very I don't know. है कि नहीं लेकिन फिर भी I love walking
नो
to
सेम
lakeside.
हियर मुझे तो बहुत पसंद है
Quiet.
चाहे वो
Quiet
एक
place.
टोरंटो का हार्बर
Correct.
फ्रंट हो पोर्ट क्रेडिट हो या अब हम बर्लिंगटन में रहते हैं तो बर्लिंगटन का वाटर फ्रंट हो
Correct.
दैट्स लाइक मोस्ट पीसफुल प्लेस टू गो फॉर अ वॉक राइट
Since you've been in Kolkata for quite some time, तो काठी रोल और मोमो
When I was in Kolkata, मैंने मोमो ज़्यादा खाया नहीं है लेकिन खाया है लेकिन the momo is like something very but again kathi roll was very unique kathi roll but I always use during my break time kathi roll was my favorite and
if you had to pick one today, what would that
one today obviously momo
Momo?
has been my life now so momo is going to be my number one pick yes for sure
आर्स टू मैंने कभी इंडिया में पता इतना मोमो नहीं खाया था बिकॉज मुझे लगता था कि मैं आलू टिक्की खाती थी वहाँ
हाँ।
दिल्ली में और मेरे भाई बहन खाते थे तो मैंने टेस्ट याद था बट फिर मैं
Right.
सिट से मिली और हम
Right.
टोरंटो आए और उसके बाद हमने इतना मोमो खाया दैट आई टेल हिम शंबाला चलते हैं मोमो खाने।
how Sid and you guys encountered the momo and like what is the story
He
behind
loves
I used
momo
to like I am like a food enthusiast. मैं
Correct.
मतलब new food try करना and then back home as we told कि जब ट्यूशन्स जाते थे पढ़ाई करके आ रहे हैं ये वो करके सो एवरी टाइम यूज टू क्रॉस बाय अ मार्केट तो वहाँ पे लाइक एक ठेला होता है मोमो का तो वहीं पे मोमो बोला कि 1 प्लेट चिकन या वेज या पनीर वट एवर दैट वॉज एंड देन आई यूज टू बी लाइक क्लोज टू लाजपत नगर
Right. Oh yeah, Doma auntie. Oh,
Yeah.
very famous.
So,
I
she's
still
very
watch
famous,
Doma
yeah.
auntie's videos, honestly.
या तो लाइक वहाँ पे खाया तो मतलब फ्रॉम लाइक आई थिंक क्लास 10 या 12 से लेके अभी तक चल ही रहा है वो
Wow.
सो वो कभी डाई डाउन नहीं हो सकता मोमो का
तो
प्यार
आज की डेट पे चाहे हमारे फॉलोअर्स हो फैमिली हो फ्रेंड्स हो एवरीबॉडी नोज हिम कि मोमो
मोमो।
किंग है
हाँ मोमो है
मैंने वो देख लिया क्योंकि सेट ने जब मोमो यहाँ पे हम लोग यहाँ पे प्रमोट किया था तो people started calling like oh momos सेट ने बोला है it's chili chicken momo I want that बहुत सारे गेस्ट आए उसने बोला कि मुझे सेम चाहिए जो वारब कैनर ने खाया था मैं बोला वो सूप जो है ना वो तो सूपी डम्पलिंग वो बोल रहा था वो भी चाहिए मैंने आज तक in my this restaurant जब से ओपन हुआ है तो I had a few Indian customers right people from India तो वो लोग ने मोमो खाए ज़्यादातर आज तक सूपी डम्पलिंग्स कभी नहीं देखा मैंने I swear I was literally like surprised
Yeah.
seriously yeah I want same thing what's what up
सूपी
Canada
डम्पलिंग्स लाइक वहाँ पे इतना कॉमन नहीं है वहाँ
Correct.
पे सिंपल या तो स्टीम या
Yeah,
फ्राइड
correct,
साथ में
correct.
मेयोनीज
Correct.
और चटनी
हाँ
तो ये चलता है बेसिकली टिपिकल
and then and
बट
the
बहुत
laughing
अच्छा कॉम्बो था
right
हाँ लाफिंग
laughing उसके बाद people started talking about laughing वो क्या होता है people started asking what is laughing so very curious like what is it like क्या है वो किससे बनता है वेजिटेरियन है ये वो
Yeah,
है
yeah.
so a lot of questions but very interesting honestly
No, it's glad कि you are bringing that Tibetan culture here and introducing people to like different cuisines, different food items, and then yeah, हमें भी अच्छा लगता है तो हमें तो
absolutely
हमेशा आ ही जाते हैं।
मैं तो हमेशा यही कहता हूँ कि like if we were not born in India or we have no connections with Indian community, I think Momo would not have been rich where it is today. Ye sab, I think thanks to all the people of India who have loved and who have shown their love towards Tibetan food, especially momos, and the dumplings or aap kahenge chow mein, those things have been part of very crucial part of Tibetan community. तो वो मतलब explode हुआ India से, and I think we're still having a lot of trends in countries like Canada or in US or Europe, right?
Yep.
I think it's all thanks to people of India, definitely. तो आप लोगों ने मतलब help किया Tibetan communities को मतलब क्या बोलते हैं promote करने में. It's just not the food. I think you guys are promoting one's culture.
One's culture, yes.
Yes,
तो
Exactly.
मतलब
That's
आप it's not just the momos that you guys are promoting. I think it's Tibetan culture which has been very untouched by many people. तो मतलब आदमी लोगों को पता नहीं है, ज़्यादातर लोगों को that there's something called Tibetan food. There's something called momo, right?
Yeah.
I think you guys have started that, and you guys have आप लोगों ने मतलब awareness किया लोगों को. तो thank you so much for that. It's just not about my restaurant. I think it's about
Our
the
pleasure, and we would love to help you kind of bring more Tibetan food to the market. So
Absolutely.
So that जैसे हमने laughing लाए थे,
correct.
tingmo है,
Right.
ठीक है, ये सारी चीजें people don't know about.
Correct.
ठीक है. So और dishes आए हैं ऐसे, so people get used to. क्योंकि जब तक try नहीं करोगे तब तक पता नहीं
Correct.
चलेगा, है ना?
Obviously.
So thank you so
That's it.
much. Yes, that's it. Easy था.
हाँ, बहुत easy था. I was a little nervous, and I think this is my first experience. Podcast पहली बार है, that I'm talking to somebody. Somebody's asking me question. ऐसा हुआ नहीं, लेकिन job interviews हुआ है. Job interviews में भी इतना ही pressure रहता था.
वो इतना tough नहीं था.
नहीं था. Job interviews में भी इतना मतलब pressure रहता था कि जब मैं एक कहानी सुना दूंगा मैं आपको. जब मेरा पहला जॉब था तो there were 6 or 7 people, we were just waiting. तो मतलब मेरे से पहले एक लड़की थी, तो उसका टर्न हुआ, वो गया, वो जब बाहर निकल के आई, रो के आई, she was crying. तब मैं तो डर गया, मैं क्या हो रहा है अंदर, क्या सवाल पूछ रहे हैं, like what they are asking, those technical questions जो भी हुआ, मैं इतना डर गया. मेरा टर्न है नेक्स्ट, मैं गया अंदर, मतलब जनरल मैनेजर्स के साथ मीटिंग था होटल्स में. तो मेरा टर्न हुआ, so I basically passed, तो मैं पास हो गया. I was really relieved, तो मैं वो लड़की को देख रहा हूँ, रोए जा रही है. I was like, what happened, what kind of questions they ask you. तो बाद में पता चला कि I think she could not answer, she was really nervous. तो मतलब इंटरव्यू में भी इतना ही प्रेशर रहा था मुझे, I think 10-12 years back. तो today was not that tough. Honestly, I think it's more about the comfort that you are talking to, like what kind of or what किसके साथ आप बात कर रहे हो. I think it's more about that too. आप लोगों के साथ इतना मतलब comfortable है मुझे, बात करते समय, like to share anything, right? So I think that's a reason.
Yeah. No, it was I think amazing. We had really good conversations.
Yes.
पूरा हमने कच्चा चिट्टा खोल लिया.
हमें तो बहुत मजा आया. I hope जो देख रहे हैं उन सबको भी बहुत मजा आया हो. And if you are craving for momo after watching this video, then you know where to go. Shambhala Kitchen. And you may find us here क्योंकि हम यहाँ पे हर समय आते ही रहते हैं.
Right.
We'll see you in the next video.
Thank you guys. Thank you. Bye.